Hi guys, I'm here for you to tell you more information about this video. Actually, if you don't want to read the email and you want to listen to the video, this video is for you. Rustic has been made for people like yourself that are at home during this quarantine and want to learn something new, want to cook and cannot get out there, cannot go to restaurants as we like, but want to get more into the kitchen world. So it's basically the first understanding of a pasta world into your world. So with only 3 lessons, we're gonna experiment and make gnocchi, classic and filled. We're gonna do orecchiette and cavatelli, southern Italian, and we're gonna also make pici, as a more Sicilian version, succareddi, as my grandma calls them. This for only like together with the recipes, together with all the information you need in terms of cooking, storing, shaping, only for a suggestion donation of €25. Of course, it's a suggested donation, so if you feel free, if you feel like you can give more, please do, to support my small business and to support the research against our best friend nowadays. Yes, we're gonna give 10% of what you're giving in this course to support the research against COVID-19 in Milan at the Humanitas Hospital. What else to say is that I hope you're gonna enjoy, I hope you're gonna share this information with your friends, with your loved ones, with your family, with your neighbors. And if you have any question, please send me an email. I'm here for you. And bye, hi from Lisbon.